这是有点慢。
很卡。OK， 你开始吧。
Hello, welcome to Hacklog live streaming room. And firstly, I will make a brief introduction of our company. Our brand is Hacklog and Sirlock, and our company name is Sirlock Fluid Equipment Incorporation. And today, I and my partner Green will make the live show, and we will introduce our products, including the fittings and valves separately. Firstly, I will make the live show. Okay, I will introduce the products one by one. 这个直播你说是可以剪的，是不是？就是可以剪下来的。
可以剪啊。
好的。
我如果在这里面倒点水可以剪。
OK。随便拿个什么来开始吧。And this is a quick connector, and we have many series quick connector from QC1 to QC4, and the completed quick connector includes body and the stem. They have to be used together like this, and you can open it by turning it.
它这没有上那个吗？它没上弹簧。
不能。
它没上。
它可以打开，然后把它打开，然后又插上。
可以。
我需要这么使劲吗？
就是我说它没有上弹簧呀，它这个没上弹簧呀。对啊，你看嘛。
啊，这个可以打开，这个可以打开。Yeah, like this, we can open it like this, and we can close it. Make the assembly like this. And this is the stem. This is the body. And the stem, you can choose it with valve or without valve. And for the body, it always valve. This fitting is ultra high pure fitting. It is a metal gasket face fitting. It can be interchanged with the switch lock VCR fitting. Like this. 怎么干都没有话讲。The pressure, the gauge pressure is we usually use the gauge pressure together with the pressure reducing regulator and the gauge valve. The unit can be MPE and PSI and bar. You can choose any of the unit. Also, we can make the both the double unit on the mark. And this is a ball valve with actuator. The actuator, you can choose the pneumatic or the electric actuator. And for the pneumatic actuator, you can choose the normally closed and normally open, and the double acting actuator for pneumatic. This is a proportional relief valve. We have two series this valve from RV1 to RV4. You can check. This is our part number. This is override handle. For the RV1, we have the 7 kinds of spring for choice, from the 50 psi to 6,000 psi for the 7 kinds of spring, and 7 kinds of color from the purple, the red, and the orange, blue, green, yellow, and white. And you can check the pressure range on our catalog for every kind of spring. For example, wait a minute. For example, for the green spring, the pressure range is from 50 to 300 psi, and for the orange spring is pressure ranges from 300 to 700 psi, and for the yellow spring is pressure ranges from the 700 to 1500 psi, and for the purple sprays, pressure ranges from the 1500 to 2000 psi, and for the white spray, the pressure ranges from the 2500 to 3500 psi, and for the blue is pressure ranges from 3500 to 4500 psi. The last spring is the red. The red spring its pressure ranges from the 4500 psi to 6000 psi. So you have many kinds of choice for the pressure range for the spring. This is a max feature for the RV1 series for torsional relief valve. And also you can choose the handle with the normal manual handle or the override handle. But the override handle can be used no more than the 1500 psi pressure. This is our logo High-Lock, and this is the direction, the arrow. The arrow means the direction. It means the bottom is the inlet and the branch is the outlet. You can check the internal structure. This is a thread, very smooth. This is part number. I will introduce every model, what's a meaning. For example, the RV1, it means the series is RV1 series, and the MPT4, MPT means the thread. The inlet thread is male MPT, and the 4 means the inlet size is a 1/4 inch. And the FMT means the outlet thread. The outlet type is thread. It is female MPT. And the 4 also means the outlet size is a 1/4 inch. And the 0.03 means the orifice is 3 millimeter. The V means the seal material is the FKM. The J means the spring color, the pressure range. And the 316 is the body material is stainless steel 316. Just we mentioned we have 4 kinds of relief valve. We have introduced the first series relief valve, and now we will introduce other series relief valve. This is RV4 series relief valve. For the RV2 series relief valve, we have only one kind of spring, one kind of spring. The pressure range is from the 10 psi to 225 psi. The color is green for the RV series relief valve. The spring color is green. The paper mark means a green color. You can also check the brand, the direction, and the part number. And on the back, we marked the heat number and the batch number. It means if customer received our products and they find that there is any problem about our products, they can send us videos, send us a customer clip, and our engineer will check the problem and give the solution. We can find the products it is from which order by the heat number and batch number, because every product, every our fittings, every our valves have the unique heat number and batch number. It is for the, can be, we can make the reliable tracking by the heat number and batch number. And now we will introduce the RV4 or RV3 relief valve. There are 3 kinds of pressure range for the RV3 relief valve. It includes the green, the orange, and the yellow. The 3 kinds of spring for your choice. The pressure range is from 50 psi to 1,500 psi. For example, you can choose the green if your pressure range is from 50 to 350 psi. You can choose the green spring. And if your pressure is from 350 to 750 psi, you can choose the orange spring. And if your pressure range is from the 700 to 1,500 psi, you can choose the yellow spring for your choice, for your working condition. Here you can check the spring the pressure range by the mark, by the label on the handle.
你看是同事吗？
有人可能也是我们的同事。
我想了解指挥法是吗？
你的产品啊，some people, a friend in our live room, she said she want to know more about the check valve. And another question is, do you produce same as switch lock? Yes, all our products can be interchanged and interchange and intermix with switch lock products. So no worries. If you are using switch lock products, you can buy from us directly. You can change your supplier because our products have the lower price and the same quality as the switch lock. Okay, I will introduce a check valve. Check valve 在哪？啊，在下面，看见。
在下面。
啊，看见。我把 CV 都给我，行。Hello. Regarding the check valve, we also can call it the non-return valve or one-way valve. For the check valve, we have the eight kinds of check valve from the CV1 to CV8. Firstly, I will introduce the CV1 series check valve. For the CV1 series check valve, the max working pressure is 3,000 psi. Yeah, the max working pressure is 3,000 psi for the CV1 series check valve, and you can check the part number. The F6 means the F means the connection type is tube fitting connection, and the 6 means the inch. The size is 3/8 inch, and the V means the seal material is FKM. And the 2 means a crack pressure. Crack pressure is 1/3 psi, and this 316 is body material, stainless steel. And this is a CV2 series check valve. The max working pressure for the CV2 series check valve is 6,000 psi. Yes, our usual unit for the pressure is PSI. Also, we can use the bar or the MPa for the valve and fittings. And the working temperature for the CV2 series check valve is from the minus 65. Sorry, I will choose the centigrade. The working pressure for the check valve 2 is from the minus 53 centigrade to the 204 centigrade. Another feature about the CV2 series include with bonded elastomer seal structure design and the liquid or gas service. And you can choose many kinds of the cracking pressure for the CV2 series check valve, from the 1 psi to 50 psi for the cracking pressure. What is cracking pressure? The cracking pressure means, what is a cracking pressure? Cracking pressure means when the pressure, the working condition, the pressure up to the cracking pressure, the check valve will open and the liquid, the gas will passage from the inlet to the outlet, and it can be non-returned because it is check valve. It's one way from the inlet to the outlet. Okay, if you want to know more information about the check valve, you can send us information. You can send us an email. Our email address is info@hacklock.com. You can send us an email, and we will give you more information about anything you want to know. You want to know the information. You can send us an email.
Emma, where are you?
I love you, Emma.
Hello, the friend from the stainless flow tech. Hello, what can I do for you? I love you too. So what product you want to know, I will introduce for you. The friend from the stainless flow tech company. Hello. 是不是需要有一个人在这回复他消息啊？你来。Is there anything? Is there 啊？就是这个。
对。
啊 ，needle valve, ultra high needle valve. Okay, I got it. What's the detailed working pressure you want to know about the ultra high needle valve? We have several kinds of ultra high needle valve. The working pressure is from 20,000 psi to 60,000 psi. Okay, 30,000 psi. Okay, I will introduce it.
Is this person from Singapore? Are you from Singapore?
这没有，怎么就没有这项呢？有60的，有20的。
你拿20的底吗
？20的底吗？啊，找到了。
好像是我的客户。
找到了，是你的客户啊？
好像是，我问他是不是新加坡，他说 yes。
Okay. My partner Green told me you bought the valve and fittings from her ever. This is a ultra high needle valve. The working pressure, the max working pressure is what you need. It is 30,000 psi. You can check this is the handle. The handle is very open very easy to open and close like this. The material of the